Sometimes life doesn't need big changes. Sometimes only our perspective needs to change. This is the story of Anya, a 14-year-old schoolgirl. She works hard, she tries her best, but lately she feels something is not right. Every morning, she walks to school with a heavy heart, lost in thoughts, wondering why can't things be easier for me. In class, her friend Ria answers confidently. Everyone seems to understand things quickly, but Anya feels confused and unsure. She whispers to herself that she doesn't understand anything properly. At home, Anya tries to study again, but her mind feels tired. Even though her mother calls her for dinner, Anya stays silent, hiding her pain. During lunch break, she sits alone in an empty classroom. Tears quietly fall onto her desk as she wonders, why does everything feel incomplete? Why can't I do anything right? At that moment, her teacher, Mrs. Mehra, enters the room. Seeing Anya crying, she sits beside her gently and asks what happened. Anya explains softly that nothing in her life feels complete. Everything feels half. Hearing this, Mrs. Mehra places a half-filled glass of water on the table and asks Anya what she sees. Anya says, "It's half empty." Mrs. Mehra smiles and tells her that is exactly the problem. This glass is also half full. Life is just like this. You are seeing only what is missing, not what you already have. She reminds Anya of all the good things she forgets. How her marks have improved, how she helps her classmates, how she has friends who care for her, and how she has talent, but focuses only on her weaknesses. For the first time, Anya sees the glass differently. She realizes that she has so much to be grateful for, but her mind was stuck on the negative. A soft smile appears on her face as she finally understands the lesson. From that day, Anya changes her mindset. She studies with confidence, asks questions bravely, helps others with kindness, and slowly becomes the best version of herself. Her teacher smiles proudly at her progress, and Anya feels stronger than ever. The half-filled glass glows softly in the sunlight, reminding her that life always has a brighter side if we choose to look at it. Positive thinking creates positive outcomes. Focus on what you have, not what you lack. Your perspective can change your entire life.